In this tutorial, you will see how to create a manufacturing lot, add kits to it, and create a blinded lot. You use lots to manage the expiration dates on kits. Because your study holds different data while it is in testing, training, and production versions, you must create lots in each of these modes. This video shows you how to create lots in testing mode. To begin, click the beaker button, go to Supplies, and then click the Inventory tab. Create a manufacturing lot. Enter a title and select the expiration date for the lot. Create all the manufacturing lots for the study. When you're finished, choose the kits that belong in each manufacturing lot. To narrow your view of the kits, use the filters. Select the kits to add to the lot and choose the manufacturing lot from the drop-down. Use blinded lots to group manufacturing lots so that the study blind is protected. You can add manufacturing lots to the blinded lot later by dragging them.